Hello YouTube, just a quick intro video. We just harvested our potatoes, so if you keep watching you'll see the results. Oh, fire. How many potatoes?
I keep missing bag.
2 potatoes.
See more of these bags. I did save some.
Yeah.
I can only find one.
You're digging them all up?
Digging them all up now. Yeah.
Okay.
That is, if there is any. And there is it.
There's a few there. Four rows of potatoes. Half a bag. So if you watch the video, you can see how many potatoes we got. There's 4 rows of potatoes. Can't actually remember what type of potatoes they are, but 4 rows of potatoes. There's a fair few plants in there. If you take into account the cost of the seed potatoes and the amount of potatoes we obviously got, the time and effort that went into it, personally I don't think we had as much of a crop as we could have. Whether the weather conditions played a role in that, we'll see next year. But if you grow potatoes yourself, if you've got if you know how much of a yield you got, let us know in the comment box, and if you've got any hints and tips, please add them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment and rate. I'll see you in the next video.